Alright, now that I'm back, as you may notice, it's a little bit darker than it was before. But, oh my god. The thing that the thing that I made the video about before this one, is right in front of my eyes. I think I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. Okay, first we'll start out with this. This is legit metal, okay? Got a ring here. Metal. Not metal, but functional. Okay? So there's that. Next, these might give it away, but I don't care. Gloves. Yeah. Boots. Maybe wondering why. Tell you what, instead of... I forgot. I have an actual camera. Okay. Boots. 2 pair. See? Next smaller pieces. These, I can't remember what these are for. Straps. I gotta figure that out. Oh, some more straps. And this might give it away. This honestly might. But this pure metal. And I gotta say, the detail on it is very, very amazing. AliExpress. I think it was Manless, the site. So there's that. Oh, I know what those straps are for now. The straps are for these. Boot covers. Got another one there. The next thing I'm going to show you, I know this will be a dead giveaway. Once again, bringing out the ring. Metal. But this is what I've been waiting for the longest time. And let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. You can actually see the scales. Got some good quality. Oops, wrong way. Oh, okay. Alright, the next thing that I have to show you this is the jumpsuit. 2-piece, well, 1-piece, but quality on the Avengers logo there is just exquisite. I don't know what that word means, but that's the definition of this. So, I know I said this would only be a 2-parter, but it's going to 3. Because the next step is the try-on. So, well, we'll get to that. So, I'll be right back.